Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nayeli. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be sharing with you super easy hairstyles that will look cute. I am super lazy when it comes to my hair. I sometimes don't even do anything to it, just my no heat waves. Wake up in the morning, add a little bit of mousse, a little bit of dry shampoo, and I'm out the door. Really that easy. If you want to see a video on that, I will be doing a video on that very soon. But other than that, let's try to do some cute easy hairstyles together that don't take that much time. So yes, let's get started. If I look that way, it's because I did put my mirror over there just so I can see when I'm doing my hair. But let's get started. The first one that I'm going to show you that I love doing, I haven't done in a while just because it's really cold, and when it's cold I want my hair on my neck just to keep me warm. But I'm going to use a little fake bun thing. I don't know how these are called, but these are super inexpensive, and I use the smallest one just so it can look more real. Comb. So I'm going to add some texturing spray. This is protective texture spray, so I'm going to add some of this just to give it a lot of texture to my hair. Not that it needs it. This is literally second day hair or third, I don't know, I lost count, but we're going to do that. And I'm going to flip my hair and put it up in the high ponytail. So and I'm going to grab the little donut and put it on my hair. Then I'm just going to roll this. You want to make sure to get a donut that's close to your hair color, just because you don't want it to look very obvious. If it does peek out, you just have to work with it, like, okay. And I think that's about it. It's a little messy, so spread it out. You might want to get a bobby pin and just set it there. Take out the sideburn, messy bun, yes please. Continuing with their super messy hair, another hairstyle that I really like to do is just a ponytail. I am going to wear a headband, so I'm just going to put on a headband to show you. And then I like to do my ponytail. So you can either leave this like this, it'll look super cute, or you can add a headband. So I'm going to add this headband. I like to cover my ears so I won't have to hear people. Just kidding, that's rude. Just like this. So that's another super easy hairstyle. Something else that I like to do if I don't wear a headband is I add one of these. So I have different ones. I have different colors. I have this light yellow one. I have this, I don't know what is this, zebra print or this print. So I just put it on. Another one of my favorite messy, easy, fast hairstyles that I like to do is I flip my head around, grab all the hair, and for this I don't use a comb, I just use my fingers. So remember that these hairstyles are messy, so, and then I'm going to grab it once, grab it twice, and then again. And we're going to, this is the part where you have to play around with it. Something like that. Another way that I like to just add something to my hair, especially on the weekends when I do curls or something, there are pins or clips. So as long as you accessorize it, I think messy accessorized is my favorite. I also have these clips which are really trendy. So you just literally put it on. That is it for this video. It was super easy, super messy. So if you don't like messy, then you're not gonna like these hairstyles or this quick 5 easy college work hairstyles, because that's what they are. I don't do my hair a lot. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and yes, make sure to follow me on social media. I will see you on my next video. And remember that if today was not a good day, that there will always be a better tomorrow. God loves you. I love you. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.